Greetings, my Colonial Forge Eagles. I am your principal, Mr. Daniel, and I am so excited to be able to address you today as we kick off our week of virtual class meetings. Like you, I wish we could all be together in school for this meeting. But even though it's virtual, I am thankful that we are able to still stay connected. Each year, we conduct grade-level class meetings to share important information that will help you successfully navigate the current school year and stay on track for your transition to the next grade or life level. This year, instead of comprehensive meetings, we will present the information to you in segments, and each assistant principal will share important updates and reminders with you daily. Today, I want to make sure you all know how much we love you and care about you, and how much we want you to excel during this challenging year. We know as Eagles that we are created to soar above all situations and circumstances, but we also know that there are times that we need to land, rest, and lean on our support systems. I encourage you to make sure you are communicating with your teachers and participating in class to help them to know you and to know how to best help you. Don't wait until assignments have piled up or you feel like you can't do something to reach out for help. Your teachers want to be there for you, and they are ready to help. Also, please remember that our counseling office is available to assist you with any questions you may have about your academics, college careers, or scholarships, and there are also the best resources for you to reach out to if you're struggling with your thoughts or feelings. The same is so for all of us who are here for you, including the nurses, specialists, administrative assistants, administrators, and all of our staff want to make sure you know that you are our priority. You are our Forge family. As you continue to learn and grow in this virtual environment, we want to make sure you know our goals and expectations for each of you. As always, we expect you to do your work, put your best foot forward, and attend class. You should always be proud of whatever you do. Our school has a focus on three main areas to support the growth, development, and success of our school community. And those areas are school, home, and community partnerships, social, emotional, and physical support, and equity and high expectations for all. We are working to make sure you and your families receive as much communications as possible about events, services, and supports that are available to you from the school and district. We will be planning some creative events to show our Forge spirit and engage all of you and your families throughout the year. We are committed to supporting your social, emotional, and physical health. We're administering a very important survey soon that will give each of you an opportunity to tell us how you are doing and how you think you are doing. This is going to help us make our school better for you. We are also working to continue our programming and instructional efforts to ensure every Forge student feels safe, accepted, and encouraged. We want each of you to plan your futures without fears of succeeding. Having a plan and taking steps to reach your goals will definitely help you reach your goals. We know that there's a lot going on in your lives, and we know that sharing clear expectations will help you be the best student possible. As I stated earlier, over the course of the week, you will continue to learn about some important updates and reminders from the assistant principals, including the guidelines and expectations for student success. The schedule for this week will include Ms. Mays on Tuesday, Ms. Raines on Wednesday, Mr. Jones on Thursday, and Mr. Berry on Friday. Thank you for your attention today and for your continued attention and participation at the class meeting sessions throughout the week. We know this year will be a great year for you if you wake up each day, take a deep breath, stretch, and repeat our Forge model. Always remember, and don't ever forget, it's a great day to be an Eagle. Thank you.